At least 304 deaths have been recorded and 100 injured after 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck Haiti yesterday. This is Links 007 TV continued coverage of this report, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The death toll in Haiti has risen to 304 after a 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit the country yesterday. Hundreds have also been injured as rescue workers pull people to safety from the rubble. Prime Minister of Haiti, Mr. Ariel Henry, has declared 1 month state of emergency for the country and said that some towns are almost completely ravaged from after the earthquake effects. He said that he is not asking for international help just yet until the extent of the damage is known. Mr. Henry said the most important thing is to recover as many survivors as possible that are still trapped under the rubble. The Prime Minister also said that local hospitals, in particular that of Las Caves, are totally overwhelmed with wounded individuals such as fractures. The epicenter of the quake was about 78 miles west of the capital, Port-au-Prince, the U.S. Geographical Survey said. The Prime Minister said the International Red Cross and hospitals in unaffected areas were helping to care for the injured and appealed to Haitians for unity. Mr. Henry also said that he wanted a structured solidarity to be implemented to avoid the confusion after the 2010 quake when aid was slow to reach residents and many as 300,000 persons were killed. Among those killed in Saturday's quake was Gabriel Fortune, a longtime lawmaker and former mayor of Las Caves. He died with several others when his hotel collapsed. The disaster comes as the country of 11 million people struggles with the pandemic and the lack of resources to deal with it. Last month, Haiti received the first batch of US-donated COVID vaccine through the United Nations program for low-income countries. This also comes more than a month after the former president, Mr. Jovenel Moise, was killed, sending the country into political chaos. According to the Geographical Survey Center in the US, it states that aftershocks are likely to continue for weeks or months. The largest one so far had a magnitude of 5.2. Haiti is a country that is vulnerable to earthquake and hurricane and was struck by a magnitude 5.9 quake in 2018 that killed more than a dozen people. A larger 7.1 magnitude earthquake killed an estimated 300 people in 2010. The National Hurricane Center has forecast that Tropical Storm Grace will reach Haiti late Monday night or early Tuesday morning, and this is not good as the country is still reeling from the effects of the 7.2 magnitude earthquake that struck on Saturday. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.